Thank you, Brian. We'll check back in with him in a bit. In the meantime, here, a Fox 59 crime tracker alert. An Indianapolis man is accused of stealing more than $1 million in prescription drugs and doing so from a CVS distribution warehouse. Right now, that suspect is facing federal charges. Fox 59's Jesse Wells talked to federal prosecutors and explains how the suspect got caught.
As a supervisor here at this warehouse, court records claim the suspect used his personal access card to smuggle more than 1,500 bottles of codeine-based cough syrup out of the facility. Employees at this large CVS warehouse near I-70 and 465 normally work to distribute prescription medicine to CVS pharmacies across the Midwest. But according to this criminal complaint, one employee, Jesse Holloway, stole $1.2 million of a drug called promethazine with codeine.
This is what we call a diversion case, where drugs that are controlled and prescribed for legitimate uses are diverted. In this case, the allegation is they were stolen.
Federal prosecutors say the stolen cough syrup is an opioid, making it a controlled substance.
If people can get it, you know, they're looking to get the same effect as if you were taking an oxycodone pill.
Investigators claim when they searched the suspect's home, they found evidence of the thefts, but Holloway, who told a roommate he was going on a trip, was nowhere to be found until prosecutors caught a lucky break in New Mexico.
You know, we find fugitives. We find people that don't want to be found.
Dan McClain says a deputy with the United States Marshal Service was in New Mexico working to protect COVID-19 vaccines being delivered when he spotted Holloway driving west on I-70 and made an arrest.
The law and arm of the law extended all the way from Indianapolis to New Mexico, and they held Mr. Holloway accountable for his actions.
DEA Special Agent in charge, Mike Gannon, believes the bust could save lives and prevent overdoses.
100% it saves lives getting this off the street, and thank goodness CVS was able to bring this matter to our attention, because who knows how long he would have continued to do this.
Holloway, who remains in federal custody, is now facing charges of theft of interstate shipment as well as possession of a controlled substance. Jesse Wells, Fox 59 News.
Thank you, Jesse.